In this video, I'll show you how to change the font in the Shopify Dawn theme, perfect for rebranding your store or giving your website a fresh professional look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start from the Shopify homepage and click on Online Store from the left menu. This takes you to the Themes page. Next, click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. In the editor, click the gear icon to access theme settings, then select typography. Here you can customize fonts for headings, body text or both. Let's focus on headings. Click on the current font, for example, Assistant, to browse available fonts. Choose one that matches your brand style, modern, sleek, classic or traditional. Once you've selected your font, click Select to confirm, then hit the Save button at the top of the editor. And that's it. Your Shopify Dawn theme now features a fresh new font that reflects your brand identity.